Hello everyone, welcome to the GhostKitin channel. So I wanted to talk about something interesting for you guys. I want to be talking about making a revenue or an income in your stream. Now, there are many ways you can do that, even as a small creator. Or as a larger creator, even you can make a revenue off of your stream. The life of a small creator can sometimes get discouraging, can be really tough, and you don't know where your income might be coming from, and being a small creator could be a struggle, but I'm going to help you with that. What I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to show you how to set up a merch store. You should have a merch store by the end of this video. And I want to make sure you guys heard me correctly. I said you should have a merch store by the end of this video. Meaning you should already have one. But I'm going to make one in front of you. So Streamlabs made it really easy to make a merch store. Okay. So this is what your merch store will look like when you first start making a merch store. Alright, so we're gonna make a simple t-shirt. Okay. I'm gonna show you what it would look like. Now these t-shirts are really good quality. For an extra $5, you can get some back printed, or you can even get a sleeve printed for $2, or a right sleeve, right? So that's kind of cool. I mean, I would totally pay an extra $5 to get the back printed on. See, I don't have a design yet, so and you can also pick colors too, which is kind of cool. Let me make a design for you. I'm gonna open up Microsoft Paint. I'm gonna make it in front of you, and then I'm gonna sell it. All right, I'm gonna show you how to sell it and advertise it, all at the same time. Okay, so we are going to design a merch design here. I'm gonna show you. You don't even need designing skills to make merch on your merch store. And watch how easy this is. So we made a square, right? And we're gonna fill it with this color, right? Let's make it this color. Okay. Now we're gonna do an outline. Like so. Okay. Okay. See, I don't have any designing skills, and I can even make merch. Okay. Just look at that. Look how nice that looks. Okay. We're gonna change the thickness. Alright, we're gonna lower it a little bit. Okay. And we're gonna do right. And ta-da, there you go. I just designed merch. Now, we're gonna make the background transparent. Okay. Transparent canvas, there you go. Really easy. And we now have our merch design. Just like that. You don't need any designing skills. You don't need anything. I would totally wear that too. Alright, we're gonna save as. And we're gonna call it okay. Without any designing skills, any prior knowledge to merch design, we are gonna upload our merch. Okay, the merch that we just made. Here we are. No designing skills required. Boom. Look at how easy it is. Now we can pick wherever we want it, right? I'm gonna put it right here in the center. I would totally wear this shirt. There you go. And then we can pick our color, right? This actually looks kind of cool. I like it in black. It looks cool. Gray. Blue looks okay. And then they also have it in white. And there you go. See, it kind of looks like this. Hold on. Let's Google search. Right. It kind of looks like this. Right. See, doesn't it look like this? Look at it. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. See, doesn't it kind of look like this, right? It does, right? A little bit. So there you go. We now have our merch design. So then we go next, right? And this will actually be online and be posted for anyone who actually wants it. I'm probably going to buy it myself. So I'm going to show you how to set it up. It's going to be really easy. So we just got to wait for it to load. Has to render it. That looks kind of cool, doesn't it? And you can pick your colors too. Right, let's set our profit, right? So how about a nice $25 t-shirt, right? Which gives us, you know, a pretty decent profit, right? I think $25 is a reasonable price for a t-shirt. It gives us a $14 profit. That's a huge profit margin. Much better than any other, you know, merch designer, right? So for $25 you get this shirt. You get a $14 profit with that. So you can design it however you want. You can also type the amount you want. Okay. Let's title our shirt. MS Paint, right? And yeah, and let's just put it up on the store. There you go. Super easy. And there you go. It's now up and running. Now you can buy this anytime you want. Here it is. So we're gonna click order, right? And look how easy it is to order. Right, you can pick your color. I picked this one. I'm gonna pick medium, and then you just click buy. Boom. You enter your stuff, and there you go. Easy. Designing merch is that easy. And this is how you design merch in your merch store. So I hope that, you know, this advice will be helpful. Now you can start your own merch store. And you can advertise it. They also offer, in Streamlabs, they also offer advertising, ways to advertise your merch. You can get an overlay alert. So whenever someone buys your merch, it gets announced on your stream. And you also get, you know, panels and stuff that you can use for your merch store. So it's really quick and really easy. So I hope this helps you, and now let's get your merch store up and running. Thank you all for watching. And if you like my content, I stream every Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday at 12 p.m. So don't forget to check out my Twitch channel, link in the description down below.